Light him up. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Hold your fire, hold your fire. Hold your fire. Let him come up.
You good?
Oh, hit, right here.
God damn. Green, green! Green light!
I know you hit on that corner.
What you got? Oh, sorry. You got a grenade?
Yeah.
Want me to throw it?
Oh, see nothing yet.
Oh, let me see it.
Okay.
Want me to get it? Shit.
It's a tree. You heard it?
Yeah.
Find him!
Alright, we need to go on the offensive.
Let's go! Let's go, y'all, let's go! He's down! You hit right in your face, call it!
Gotcha.
That's alright.
Keep shooting them.
Woo! Woohoo!
You good?
Watch that parachute top! On the right side, parachute top, right side!
God damn, I'm fucking with P-Mag.
Show me something. You need a mag?
No, I'm good.
Brian, are you shooting?
Come on, bitch, get out of here.
You need a jamming rod or something?
Yeah, you got one?
No. I think I have one in my bag though.
Yeah, I mean, I got one back here. I ain't told me to go out here.
Yeah. There's one right. Fuck.
I got one. Here.
Okay.
Fuck, where's the house at?
Coming out, hold your body, dead man coming out. Nope, alright.
You get it like that. Fuck this. Yeah, he's right in front.
Where is he?
Right in front of. Yeah, he's right there. Right there.
That motherfucking boy.
I'm about to sell Russia. How many more left?
Hey, Jack. Down the tree, he moving.
Good. I'm out.